Hey Gurubhyo Namaga children. Today we are going to learn the continuation of exercise 4.4. Exercise 4.4, sixth question. Verify 3 by 4 into 8 by 24 equal to 8 by 24 into 3 by 4. Okay, so this is left hand side, this is right hand side. Okay, so we are going to verify both the sides are whether equal or not. Okay, first you find the LHS value, LHS or HS. First we are going to find LHS. So 3 by 4 into 8 by 24. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. See the numerator 1, denominator 1 into 4, 4, 1 by 4. Now you check the right hand side, 8 by 24 into 3 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So 1 by 4. Now you check this 1 by 4. Left hand side also 1 by 4. Right hand side also 1 by 4. So both the sides are equal. So both the sides are equal. So therefore LHS equal to OHS. Hence verified. You understand children? So the next one. Six by 11 divided by 3 by 22 divide 4 by 3 is not equal to 6 by 11 divide 3 by 22 divide 4 by 3. Okay, first we need to simplify the bracket. Okay, so LHS or HS, both the values you first find out. So here division is there. So while dividing the number, instead of dividing, I am going to multiply. If I want to multiply, what do you want to do children? We have to take reciprocal. Okay. So reciprocal of the second term. Here the reciprocal of 3 by 22 is 22 by 3. Okay. You multiply the number 6 by 11 into, because the divisions I am going to change multiplication. Once I change the symbol, I have to take reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 3 by 22 is 22 by 3. Okay. Divide 4 is there. 4 by 3. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Now what is the numerator? 4. Denominator 1 is there. 4 by 1 what you will get children? 1 1. Okay. Now 4 divided by 4 by 3. So here what you will get? 4. This divisions I am going to change multiplication. So I have to take the reciprocal of the second term. So the reciprocal of 4 by 3 is 3 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So what is the answer children? 3 is the answer. Now right hand side we are going to find out. Okay. So what is the question's right hand side? 6 by 11. 6 by 11 divided by 3 by 22 divide 4 by 3. First we are going to simplify the bracket. So this divisions I am going to change multiplication. Once I change, I have to take the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 4 by 3 is 3 by 4. Okay. Now any other possibilities are there to cancel this? 3 by 22, there is no chance. 3 by 4 also there is no chance, and crossly no chance. So what do you want to do? You have to multiply. So 6 by 11 divided by 3 3s are 9 by 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Now I am going to divide. Instead of divisions I am going to multiply. So I have to take reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 9 by 88 is 88 by 9. 11 ones are 11. 11 eights are 88. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So what you are getting? 2 eights are 16 by 3. What you are getting? 16 by 3. Now you see, left hand side 3 is there, right hand side 16 by 3. So 3 not equal to 16 by 3. So therefore LHS not equal to RHS. So hence verified. You understand, children? Shall I move on to the next question? Question number 7. If A equal to 3 by 5, B equal to minus 2 by 5 and C equal to 1 by 4, prove that A into B into C equal to A into B into C. Okay, just you substitute the value, children. Here also you find out LHS and RHS. So here what is there at the left hand side? A into B into C. So what is the value of A? 3 by 5 into minus 2 by 5 into 1 by 4. First you simplify the bracket. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 3 by 5 into minus 1 by 5 2s are 10. Now what you will get, children? Now you multiply 3 5. There is no common factor except 1, as well as 1 by 10 also. In crossly also we can't cancel. So directly multiply the numerator as well as multiply the denominator. So what you will get? Minus 3 by 5 tens are 50. Now right hand side, A into B into C. So what is the A value? 3 by 5 into minus 2 by 5 into C value 1 by 4. See here 3 5 2 5, there is no cancellation here, so directly multiply. Minus 6 by 5 5s are 25 into 1 by 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So what you will get? Minus 3 by 50. Now see here, LHS. LHS equal to RHS. So what is the value we receive? Minus 3 by 50 equal to minus 3 by 50. So hence proved. You understand, children? Just you substitute the value and check both the sides. Then is it equal or not? Okay, here is equal, so we proved this. Okay, so the next one. Second one, A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. So LHS RHS. Here A value 3 by 5 into B value minus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 4. Here A into B. So A value 3 by 5 into minus 2 by 5 plus A value 3 by 5 into C value 1 by 4. So 3 by 5 into, here denominators are different. Here addition symbol is given, denominators are different. So we have to take LCM. Okay. So 5, 4, here 1 is the common factor. So in this situation we have to multiply the denominator directly. So 5 4s are 20. Now you multiply with the 4. This one you multiply with the 5. Then only you will get 20. So 4 2s are minus 8 plus 5 1s are 5. So 3 by 5 into minus 3 by 20. Now there is no possibilities to cancel the number. So multiply the numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. So 3 into minus 3 you get minus 9 by 5 into 20, 100. Okay. And right hand side 3 by 5 into minus 2 by 5. Okay. So now you multiply this, minus 6 by 25 plus 3 1s are 3 by 5 4s are 20. Now find out the LCM, because denominators are different, so we are going to add. So 25, 20. So this divide by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20. Again by 5, 1, 4. So 2, 1, 2. So 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50, 50 2s are 100. So LCM equal to 100. Common denominator is 100. Here 4 times. If you multiply this, you will get 100. Here 5 times. So minus 24 plus 15. So what you will get, children? Minus 24 plus 15, you get minus 9 by 100. So now here LHS equal to RHS. Minus 9 by 100 equal to minus 9 by 100. So hence proved. You understand, children? See the next one. Third question. A into B minus C equal to A into B minus A into C. Okay. So what is the value of A, children, here? First you write it, split this LHS or HS. Here A value 3 by 5 into B value minus 2 by 5 minus C value 1 by 4. Three by 5 into, here we have to take LCM, 5 4s are 20. Okay, so you want to multiply with the 4. Here you want to multiply with the 5. So minus 8 minus 5. So 3 by 5 into minus 13 by 20 because numerator both the number have same sign. Okay. So here any other possibilities to cancel this? There is no chance. So multiply it. Okay. So minus 39 by 100. Now check the right hand side. A into B minus A into C. So 3 by 5 into minus 2 by 5 minus A value 3 by 5 into 1 by 4. So now you multiply this minus 6 by 25 minus 3 by 20. We already found the LCM of 25 and 20. So what is the LCM we got it? LCM equal to 100. So here we need to multiply with the 4. There we need to multiply with the 5. So minus 24 minus 50 divided by, here common denominator is 100. Now you add this minus 39 by 100. Now you check this LHS equal to RHS because that value minus 39 by 100 equal to minus 39 by 100. So hence proved. Do you understand, children? This is very important sum. So the eighth one, using rational numbers, verify the following statements. The product of a rational number and its reciprocal is 1. So let's take it, any rational numbers you take it. Okay. So let 2 by 3 is a rational number. I am taking this. So what operations I am going to do? Product. Product means multiply. Which number I am going to multiply? A rational number and its reciprocal. Here the rational number is 2 by 3 into, because I am going to multiply. The reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Now you simplify this, what you are getting? 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So what answer we are receiving, children? 1. Okay. So the product of a rational number and its reciprocal is 1. You understand, children? So hence verified. So hence verified. See the next question. The commutative law holds good for multiplications of rational numbers. Commutative law holds good for multiplication of rational numbers. Okay. So what is the commutative law, children? Commutative law for rational numbers. Okay. Commutative law for multiplication of rational numbers is A by B into C by D equal to C by D into A by B. Okay. See here, let you take A by B equal to 2 by 3, C by D equal to 3 by 5. Let us consider this. Okay, so we are going to check this. So this is B. Okay, so 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 equal to 3 by 5 into 2 by 3. So now you cancel this. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So 2 by 5 equal to here 3 by 5 into here 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Okay. So now 1 into 2, 2, 2 by 5. So what you are getting, children? Here both the sides are equal. LHS equal to RHS. So hence verified. Hence verified. So commutative law is true for multiplication of rational numbers. Do you understand, children? Thank you, children.